Well, hello there. Sion Batson here from Sion Batson Tutoring, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Very important concept for my fourth graders, my fifth graders, and my GED students. So let's go. Now, this exercise is out of my fourth grade math workbook. You can master fourth grade math, next generation learning standards, and my fifth grade math workbook. You can master fifth grade math, next generation learning standards. Now, both books are excellent resources for homeschooling, virtual learning, extra practice at home, homework help, and state test prep. Each book is filled with very simple and easy to follow notes and explanations, step-by-step examples, guided examples, and tons of practice problems and answers. So if you have a fourth grader or a fifth grader, I would highly recommend that you get them a copy. You can get your copy from Amazon or from my website, www.sbatsonacademy.com. Now, to our exercise. I am going to teach you 4 very simple steps that will help you master the skill of multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Step 1, we will stack the numbers by place value. Then step 2, we will multiply the digit in the ones place of the bottom number by both digits in the top number. Then step 3, we will come down to the next row, put a placeholder in the ones place, then multiply the digit in the tens place of the bottom number by both digits in the top number. Then step 4, we are going to add. 4 very simple steps. How are you feeling? Perfect, perfect. Let's go to our first example here. We have 25 times 36. So step 1, we are going to stack the numbers by place value. So we are going to put our 25 right here. And then our 36 will go right below. Now, it's extremely important that you stack your numbers correctly. When you stack your numbers, you want to make sure that the digits are in the correct places. If you do not stack your numbers correctly, chances are you will get an incorrect answer. So always take time to stack your numbers correctly. Yes? Perfect. Now, step 2, we will multiply the digit in the ones place of the bottom number, which is this 6 right here, by both digits in the top number. So for step 2, our goal is to multiply this 6 by the 5 and then multiply this 6 by the 2. So far so good? Now, very important. When we multiply, we always start in the ones place. We will begin multiplying in the ones place, then we will move one place at a time to the left and multiply. Yes? But we always start in the ones place. Let's go. 6 times 5 is 30. Now note, I wouldn't be able to put my 30 here in the ones place because each place can only have one digit. So I will have to regroup. I'll keep the 0 and give the extra 3 to the tens place. Yes? You always give the extras to the next place on the left. Also, you never multiply the extras. You add on the extras after you multiply. So far, so good? Perfect. Let's go. So the 6 multiply the 5. Now it's time for the 6 to multiply the 2. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the extra 3 is 15. Now note, I can put the 15 here because I am now done multiplying by the 6. Yes? So we are done with step 2. we have multiplied the digit that is in the ones place of the bottom number by both digits in the top number. Now, for step 3, we will come down to the next row, put a placeholder in the ones place, then multiply the digit that is in the tens place of the bottom number by both digits in the top number. Now, you might be asking why we need a placeholder. This is why. We are about to multiply by the tens place. Yes? We are multiplying by the digit that is in the tens place. So our first answer will have to go in the tens place. This 0 here, or this placeholder, reminds us that we have to begin in the tens place. So you always want to put this placeholder here to remind you that I should not put my first answer here when I begin to multiply by the tens place. Yes? All right, let's go. So again, for step 3, this 3 here has to multiply the 5 because we will always start in the ones place. Then the 3 will multiply the 2. Are you ready? Let's go. 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to regroup. Keep the 5 and give the extra 1 to the tens place. Then I multiplied 3 by the 2 now. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Yes? So I'm done multiplying by the 3 because the 3 multiplied the 5 and the 3 multiplied the 2. So now we go to step 4. We add. It's very simple. Very simple, very straightforward. Let's add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. I regroup. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 7 is 9. So my answer is 900. So 25 times 36 is 900. How was that? It's very simple. Yes? It's very straightforward. All right. Let's keep the party going. Yeah. Now, very quickly, if you are new to my YouTube channel, thank you for joining and welcome, welcome. Now, please click on the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so that you can be notified every time I post a fun, exciting, and easy to follow math tutorial. Yes? Thank you, my friends. Thank you. Now, let's try the next one. Let's try 47 times 50, let's say 56. Yes? 47 times 56. So again, step 1, we will stack the numbers by place value. Now, I love drawing my lines here because these lines help me stack my numbers correctly. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It's very important that you always stack your numbers correctly. So I put my 47 first. Then my 56 go right below. Yes? So we are done with step 1. Step 2, what is our goal? Our goal is to multiply the digit that is in the ones place of the bottom number, this 6 right here, by both digits in the top number. So the 6 has to multiply the 7, then the 6 has to multiply the 4. Let's go. Remember, we always start in the ones place. 6 times 7 is 42. We will regroup because remember again, I wouldn't be able to put 42 here in the ones place because each place can only have one digit. So we have to regroup. I'll keep my 2 and give the extra 4 to the next place on the left, which is the tens place. Yes? Again, whenever you get an extra, you always give the extras to the next place on the left. And you never multiply the extras. You add on the extras after you are done multiplying. Yes? Let's go. 6 met the 7. Now it's time for the 6 to meet the 4. Or now it's time for the 6 to multiply the 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus the extra 4 is 28. Very good. And again, I can put the 28 here because the 6 we are done multiplying by the 6. Yes? The 6 multiply the 7 and the 6 multiply the 4. So we are done with the 6. How is that? Perfect. Now, step 3 says we will come down to the next row and put a placeholder here in the ones place. Yes? Then, now it's time to multiply the digit that is in the tens place of the bottom number by both digits in the top number. Yes? So now it's time to multiply by the 5. The 5 has to multiply the 7. Then the 5 will multiply the 4. We go to the 7 first because we must begin multiplying it by the ones place. Yes? Let's go. 5 times 7 is 35. Very good. Again, I regroup. Keep my 5. Give the extra 3 to the next place on the left, which is the tens place. And then 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 3 is 23. All right. So we are done with step 3. So get the big picture what's happening here. Yes, get what's happening. First, we multiply by the ones place in the bottom number. The ones place of the bottom number multiplies both digits in the top number. Then we go to the tens place in the bottom number and multiply both digits in the top number. Yes? That's it. Very simple, very straightforward, very exciting. Step 4 now, we are going to add. Yes? Let's add. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 8 is 13. We'll give the extra 1 here to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. And then we have just a 2 here. So our answer is 2,632. So 47 times 56 is 2,632. How was that? You get the idea? It's very simple. It's very exciting. It's very straightforward. Now, guess what time it is? Come on. It's your turn to shine. Come on. It's your turn to shine. Hey, your turn to shine. Come on. It's your turn to shine. So, what I want you to do, because I know that you guys are always eager to prove to your parents or your grandparents or whoever you're working with that you have mastered the concept. Yes? So what I want you guys to do for me now is pause the video and give this problem a try. If you need to, you can always go back and watch the previous examples that we worked. But I want you to pause the video and try 85 times 74. I believe that you got this. Follow the steps. Go step by step. Do not forget the placeholder. Very important, yes? Go step by step, give it a try, then come back and let's see if we get the same answer, yes? All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm so excited because I know that we all got this answer. So let's go. So we have 85 times 74, yes? So step 1, we are going to stack the numbers by place value. Very important. I hope you guys drew your lines because these lines help us to keep our numbers straight and stack them correctly as well. Yes? So step 1, we will stack our numbers by place value. Yes? Step 2, we will multiply the digit in the ones place of the bottom number, which is the 4, by both digits in the top number. So for step 2, this 4 has to multiply the 5, and then this 4 will multiply the 8. Yes? Let's go. We always start in the, oh, very good, Jonathan. Very good. Very good, Daniel. Very good, Yosef. Very good, Mark. Very good, Marvin. We always start in the ones place. Let's go. 4 times 5 is 20. Again, I wouldn't be able to put 20 here because each place, can only have one digit. So we'll put our 20 outside and regroup. Give the 0 and give the extra 2 to the next place on the left. The 4 multiply the 5. Now it's time for the 4 to multiply the 8. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Very good. And again, I can put my 34 here because I'm done multiplying by the 4. Yes? We are done with the 4. The 4 met the 5 and the 4 met the 8. All right. How are you guys feeling? Super. Now it's time for step 3. For step 3, we come down to the next row, put a placeholder first. The placeholder is our friend. Never forget the placeholder. The placeholder reminds us that once we begin multiplying by the tens place in the bottom number, the first answer has to go in the tens place. So always remember to put that placeholder. So for step 3, the digit in the tens place of the bottom number, which is a 7, now gets a chance to multiply. This 7 has to multiply the 5, then this 7 will multiply the 8. Yes? Let's go. 7 times 5 is 35. Very good. We will regroup, give the 5, and give the extra 3 to the tens place. What is 7 times 8? I can't hear you. Huh? 56. Very good. Yes? 7 times 8 is 56, plus 3 will give us 59. And I can put my 59 right here because I'm done multiplying by the 7. The 7 multiplied the 5, then the 7 multiplied the 8. And for step 4, we add. How are you feeling? Good, good. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. We will regroup. Give the extra 1 to the thousands place. 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer is 6,290. So 85 times 74 is 6,290. Very good, everybody. Give yourselves a pat on the shoulder for getting this correct. I know that each and every one of you got it correct. So good job. I'm so proud of you. I really hope that you guys find this video helpful. I hope that you guys will now master the skill of multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Always remember the big picture. Your goal will be to multiply the digit in the ones place of the bottom number by both digits of the top number. Then you will multiply the digit that is in the tens place of the bottom number by both digits in the top number. Never forget to put your placeholder before you begin multiplying by the tens place in the bottom number. Yes? Very simple concept. Again, until next time, enjoy your math practice and your math homework. See you.